Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot. And let's do your love bite now. Let's see what's going on in your life, Libra, now, and what is the message that wants to show through for you today. And these are general collective readings, Libra, will not resonate with all of you out there. Take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Libra and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Libra, let's begin and welcome in all my old subscribers, newbies. This is going to be just a small little mini read to see what you need to know now. And if any of you are looking for a private reading, Libra, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. So the cards I have on the table yet are the Nine of Swords in reverse, Wheel of Fortune, Strength, the Eight of Wands, the Tower, the Devil, Nine of Pentacles, King of Cups, and the Moon. Bottom of my spread, I have the King of Swords. So either somebody wants to speak their truth now, or maybe they have a little bit of trouble, they're a little cold and harsh in their communication. So from what I see, somebody really does want to come and reveal some truth. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, Libra, I'm going to take a few dialogue message cards before I start, and then we'll begin. So Libra and their person spirit, I do see there is no communication between the two of you. 0. Eight of Wands is in reverse. One more. One more. Okay, so let's take some from here as well. Libra and their person spirit. Libra and their person. Thank you. And I'm going to take some messages from the heart as well. Libra and their person spirit, they could say something to each other. Libra and their person. Thank you. All right, good to go now, Libra. Let's begin. The first card I have here says, the endless depth of love that I have for you is a blessing. Sometimes I feel sometimes this love feels more like a curse because I'm so focused on you, but I don't see anything from you in return. So one person's been giving, the other one's been taking. This is the storyline that's been coming up for you, Libra, for a long time now. So I think one of the partners is saying, I mean, I do love you and I keep focusing on you, but what about, you giving back to me now? I wish that you could love yourself the way I love you. I had to lose you to learn to love myself unconditionally, so that you could then learn to do the same. I'm now shining brighter, and I have faith that you will one day see the true love and light within you as I do. So there's been some kind of a separation here, Libra, where even though the love is there, one person had to leave this connection and heal themselves, love themselves, so that, to make space for their partner to do the same, to also go within and start loving themselves, because it's only when you love yourself can you love another, right? I know you feel the same way. If you didn't, why would you keep in touch and get triggered when I say next lifetime? The silence is so unbearable between us. I wonder if you're punishing me because of the 3D challenges, or did I push you away due to believing the obstacles in our lives were too great to overcome? I surrender and trust in God and divine timing. If it's meant to be, it will be. So the partner, I think, who's got left behind is also getting their spiritual awakening now, and they're trusting that if this connection is as strong as they feel it is, then they're waiting for this divine timing to happen. Life seems so complicated for us. My mind often drifts to thoughts about us escaping reality to somewhere really quiet where we can be alone. You can't imagine how much I love you. You're the woman, oblique man, that every woman man desires. I know that I can count on you, and I will show you that you can count on me too. I think somebody finally now is wanting to come forward and express some emotions here. They want to reveal their truth. But I think still waiting for divine timing, because somebody knows that they've created a tower moment now between the two of you. You seem distant, not yourself. I feel you pulling away from me. Our relationship has suffered irreparable damage. Yes, there's a lot of toxicity and the tower that came in here, Libra, and somebody feels that too much has happened now. How can we ever come back and rebuild this now? But hoping maybe the universe will intervene, or if it's meant to be, then in divine timing, maybe something is going to happen. We've come too far to give up on us. Let's start over. I stopped believing in love, but after seeing your smile, I became a believer again. I love you with my heart, mind, body, and soul. Beautiful message. Okay, so let's start. Let me just take one angel blessing card as well, as everything depends on divine timing here. Let's see what my angels have to say to this. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Libra, please. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Libra, please. Blessing. Oh my God. Oh my God. I've never had this before, Libra. Two cards flipped out at the same time. I have the card of love and the card of miracle. So maybe the love is there, that I can see that, but maybe somebody is waiting for a miracle now. Divine timing, some miracle to bring you guys back together. Because according to them, I think they know that they've created a tower moment. There's been a lot of toxicity in this relationship. They're not sure whether the problems are now irreparable. So all they can do is hope for a miracle now, because they've realized they do have a lot of love for their partner. So this could be you, Libra, feeling this way about your partner, or maybe this is your partner now feeling this way. So, Nine of Swords and the Wheel of Fortune, Spirit. Nine of Swords and the Wheel of Fortune. Somebody is very, very depressed, very sad. They really want to come out of this place, but I don't think they can right now. All they can do is, I think, wait for the Wheel of Fortune to move, in the right direction now. They're not doing anything except spying and waiting and watching. They're just kind of sitting on the sideline, feeling very sad, depressed, waiting, not having the courage to pick themselves up and do anything, but waiting for some miracle to happen, I think. Yeah, they're waiting for some kind of a transformation, so that they can kind of totally put an end to the past. Like miraculously, you guys are, in each other's presence, and you don't remember the past at all, and you can re-begin or something like that. Some ending has happened here. Some major ending has happened here. Yes, somebody knows that the ending has happened because they caused it. They caused a tower to fall, and that's the reason the ending has come. Now all they can do is wish and hope that the universe is going to somehow. They haven't given up. They are still waiting, watching, but they don't have the courage to come forward and kind of say anything themselves. At least they haven't till now. Let's see, with the King of Swords here as the underlying energy and the Moon in reverse, maybe they will. Let's see. So what's the Strength in reverse, Spirit? Strength in reverse. Yes, they are stressing. They are stressing that somebody has put a halt to this connection now. They don't know how to move forward. They know that partner's not moving towards them anymore. All they can do is sit, have sleepless nights, because they're watching from afar, right? What are they watching? They're watching this Nine of Pentacles energy. They're watching their partner glow up, be single, be abundant, looking beautiful, and they don't know how to move forward. I don't think this person has the courage to take any action towards this Nine of Pentacles energy, because they know that they are the cause of this ending and this tower falling. So all they can do is wait for a miracle, I think. Eight of Wands, Spirit. Eight of Wands in reverse, and they can't talk right now because they know that they've caused this tower to fall. They know, Libra, this is your card, right? They know that some major injustice has been done in this connection. Maybe some promises were made here. Some promises were made and none of these promises were kept. And maybe they feel, if I even do try, my person is never going to believe me because of my past behavior. I've never kind of kept my promises. So what's this devil energy, Spirit? What's this devil energy? What's this devil energy? The problem here again, Libra, I think this has also been coming up for a long time for you guys. There is the only toxicity, I think, which stops this union is pride and ego. There's major pride and ego that I'm not going to have this talk first. I will not be the first one to reach out. I will not say sorry, even though they know it's their fault, even though they can sit and stress and cry at night, watch their partner glow up, because they feel their partner's looking that good or doing so well without them. Their ego and pride is coming in the middle, where they're saying, hey, I'm not going to have any communication, no communication, I'm not going to say sorry. What about my pride and ego? And that is the toxicity I think this person has to heal. And that's the reason this card had come up. Yeah. Yes, somebody says, I had to move away from this connection because I had to learn. And maybe this space that I'm giving you, you have to sit in wherever they're sitting in their sadness and regret, and also understand why this breakup has happened and what they need to heal within themselves. Maybe it is this toxicity. This is the toxicity which is stopping this connection. This is ego. This is, I'm not going to say sorry. I'm not going to do this. I'm not going to do that. But still hoping, wishing for a miracle that, their partner will probably just drop on their lap from the universe. So, Nine of Pentacles and the King of Cups, Spirit. Nine of Pentacles and the King of Cups. Nine of Pentacles and the King of Cups. Nine of Pentacles and the King of Cups. Yes, there is somebody who's now found their independence. This one said, right? Where was it? This one. It says, I'm now shining brighter. Yeah. I'm now shining brighter, and I have faith that you will one day see the true love and light within you as I have. So somebody has kind of moved away, found their light within. They are now standing in their self-worth and they are being a bit defensive. They are protecting their energy because maybe there were third parties in the situation or things were not working out between the two of you. This person is saying, hey, I'm all right by myself, and I am not going to allow any toxicity back in my life. I want a partnership which is equal. I want an equal, balanced relationship. So the King of Cups, Spirit, and the other person, I think, even though they've made their decision, they know who they want, they are emotionally a little closed off. They like to manipulate people. They don't like to show their emotions, and they are hoping and wishing somebody else will come to them. Yes, this person has a cup of love, big cup of love in their hand, but they also have a bow and arrow in the other. So they're still fighting the demons within. They're still trying to heal their own toxicity right now, even though the decision has been made by them. They know which is the right choice, but it's somewhere they are still not either sending a message or hoping the other person will send a message, because this is all again emotional manipulation. One more, Spirit, for the King of Cups. King of Cups. Not happy. They're not happy. They're absolutely not happy. Maybe wondering that their partner has many other options now, and that's the reason they are not. King of Cups again. I mean, this person has a lot of love. They have a lot of love and they're not happy because they feel the reason. Okay, now they're trying to blame their partner, not seeing their own fault or, trying to heal themselves. They're trying to find fault in their partner to say the reason maybe my partner is not messaging me is because maybe they have other options in their life now. So they're still kind of finding fault with their partner instead of addressing what they've done wrong. Heart of hearts, this person knows, but they're sitting in their ego and pride and not doing anything. The moon in reverse, spirit. Moon in reverse. Moon in reverse. Moon in reverse. Moon in reverse. Whatever secrets came out or whatever this person did, I don't know what what came out. Somebody stopped putting in work. Things are really stuck between the two of you. There is a feminine energy who's very upset and angry. What's this Eight of Cups, spirit? Eight of Cups. Who wants to return here now? Eight of Cups. They want somebody to return back in their life. Whoever this King of Cups is waiting. They know things are stuck between the two of you, but both holding back from each other, Libra. This has been a continuous, I think, for many months now I've been seeing that nobody is really putting in work, both holding back from each other. Maybe the feminine is very upset and the masculine in this equation is sitting in the ego and pride. And what's this King of Swords, spirit? Which was the underlying energy? King of Swords. King of Swords. King of Swords. King of Swords. Yeah, it's the same story. Whoever this person is, maybe they were juggling at one point in their life, but now this person is quite clear. They know the truth, they have the clarity, they know who's the one that they want for long term. They know this is their Queen of Pentacles, but not offering anything even now. They don't want to be the first one to reach out. They're waiting on divine timing. The love is there, but they're just sitting here waiting for a miracle to happen. And miracles don't just happen. You have to put in effort. I mean, you can't expect to win a lottery ticket if you'd never played the lotto, right? Or you can't expect to get a job if you've never gone for an interview. So this person is sitting in that toxicity yet, not moving, and trying to blame their partner as to the reason for this breakup. Mentally, emotionally knowing what's the truth, but trying to convince themselves that the reason that they're not going because their partner's now maybe independent and maybe has many other suitors, and they don't want to look like a fool by giving an offer. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Libra. Hope it worked for you. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.